Choose the correct alternative to complete the following sentences. With a shudder, Swami realized that it was Monday. When Swami ought to have been in the school prayer hall, he was lying on bench. According to Swami, Samuel is especially angry with boys who are late. Fill in the chart with information from the text. Text থেকে information নিয়ে চার্টগুলো তোমাদের পুরো করতে হবে. Time when Swami complained of a headache at 9 o'clock. Person who ordered Swami to dress up and go. Swaminathan's father. Mention of the teacher. Name of the teacher mentioned by Swami Samuel. State the following statements are true or false. Swami said that he had a headache. True. Swami was lying in his father's room. False. According to Swami, the headmaster was not afraid of Samuel. False. যদি এই ভিডিওটি স্টেপ বাই স্টেপ টিউটোরিয়াল চাও তাহলে ডেসক্রিপশনে দেওয়া লিংকে গিয়ে তোমরা দেখে নিতে পারো।